Hi, I'm Janet, co-founder and CEO of Nuvola Technology. Nuvola is an advanced battery materials company for safer and more profitable EV batteries. In 12 years, about 89% of new cars sold will be powered by batteries. And this trend is not just for passenger vehicles. Trucks, buses, and even aircrafts are all going battery powered. And naturally, the demand for lithium-ion batteries is growing faster than ever to reach over $200 billion in the next 5 years. But making batteries is not easy. There are major yield and reliability issues. At battery factories, there are about 10% of yield loss, and this is an incredibly low yield compared to other mature manufacturing industries. And what is even worse, that some failures can happen even after the batteries leave the factory and leading to multi-billion dollars of losses in each battery recalls. What is causing these problems in the battery industry? The answer is the film separator defects. The film separator is a thin polymer layer that physically separates the anode and cathode electrodes inside the battery cell. And folding, the separator folding process is a huge pain point at battery factories. It is a mechanical and highly error-prone process. There are over 12,000 separator folding contained in a single electric vehicle, leading to multiple errors like misfolding, misalignment, and sometimes wrinkles and even tears. And it is not a surprise that more than 50% of the manufacturing defects are stemming from this process. At Nuvola, we came up with a new technology that replaces this error-prone film separator with our SafeCoat separator coating. That leads to 50% of yield improvement in manufacturing. And we are the right team to do this. My co-founder Leland and I have been working on this separator problem for the past decade since our graduate research at UCLA. Nuvola's SafeCoat technology consists of 1, our process recipe, and 2, our proprietary materials composition. The process recipe is controlled by spray deposition equipment, coating the bare electrodes with our polymer separator fluid and fully encapsulating the electrode top, bottom, and even the edges. This intuitive process completely eliminates the battery manufacturing errors stemming from the separator folding. And our proprietary polymer composition is precisely controlled to achieve uniform pores. And this is easily adaptable and tunable for newest battery developments, such as cathode and anode materials and lithium metal batteries, and even grid scale batteries. And we have proven this technology. We built microchip batteries with SafeCoat version 1, and that allowed us to build more than 20 times higher capacity. And then we built coin cell batteries with SafeCoat version 2 and achieved over 90% of yield compared to less than 40% when we were using film separators. And now we're applying this process to the much larger EV batteries. By implementing SafeCoat process, each gigafactory can save up more than $500 million every year from 3 times faster assembly and 50% reduced in rejection rate. And everyone we talk to wants to implement SafeCoat. We have 5 signed evaluations, including 3 major EV battery companies, and we have 3 more under legal review. And now we're in the late discussions for the partnership with our major production equipment vendor for global battery suppliers. And our model is simple. It's an inkjet printer and ink sales model on an industrial scale. We make money from the equipment and also the consumable polymer solution. Each electric vehicle consumes about at least $500 of this material, leading to more than $400 million of annual revenue from each gigafactory. And this opportunity is huge. Just from considering the consumables in 2025, it'll be over $9 billion. And growing rapidly to $14 billion in 2028. In 12 years, 9 out of 10 cars will be powered by batteries, and Nuvola will be in all of them. Thank you.